everyone! Welcome back to the Ark Supplies channel. You probably clicked in this video because you are planning to give your home a fresh look with a new flooring. But you don't know, or you are struggling how to determine the cost of your flooring. Well, in this video, we'll break it down for you in simple and quick steps. Ready? Let's go! Well, to start things off, measure the area where you want to install the new flooring. In most cases, it is recommended to use a tape measure to determine the length and width of the room. Then multiply the length and width together to calculate the square footage. And if your room isn't a perfect rectangle, break it down into smaller and more manageable sections. Then calculate each separately. Next, decide on the type of flooring you want. There's a world of options, from the timeless allure of hardwood to the versatility of laminate, the charm of carpet, or the resilience of tile. Each comes with its own price tag. Make your choice. And if you're having a hard time deciding, stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll delve into the pros and cons of each flooring option. Or you can click on the card in the top right corner of this video. Then, the next step is to research the cost of your chosen flooring material per square foot. But if you don't want to take a lot of time researching, you can go to our store, or you can call us with the phone number in the description because we got all of the prices ready for you. Well, the next step is more like a reminder, so you don't forget about the additional costs. These can include underlayment, adhesives, transition strips, and the removal of old flooring materials. Now, for the most accurate estimate, it's a good idea to consult with flooring professionals. They can provide tailored quotes based on your specific needs and the unique characteristics of your space. And, of course, here at Ark Supplies, we have the best flooring professionals ready to assist you with your needs. Finally, let's crunch the numbers. Multiply your square footage by the cost per square foot of your chosen flooring material. Add in the extra expenses and the installation fee from the professional quotes. And done. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can determine the cost of flooring installation for your project. Remember, it's always a good idea to budget a little extra for unexpected expenses. Now, get ready to bask in the elegance of your new floors. And if you've made it this far, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you can receive more of our video content and stay in the flooring side of YouTube. Thanks for watching, and may your flooring journey be smooth and stylish.